Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to speak about a topic called BS6 engine. Yes, my topic is BS6 engine, how BS6 engine will work, how it will reduce the pollution rate. These are the topics I am going to discuss today. Since our team is associated with many industry expertise and also consultants, we will share their thoughts through our channel. This BS6 topic course has been shared by the Tata Group in last year. So today I am going to share with you the same content what they have shared. So guys, please watch the full video. At the end you will get the complete details. Okay, let's start it. First thing, I will answer you that why you need to watch this video, because why it is so important. In India, many industries are there, in that majority is automobile companies. So if you attend any interviews, the 70% will be automobile field. Company people will ask you and put the question, this is the confirmed question that they will ask you about the recent trends, that is BS6 engine question will be confirmed. So today we will discuss that what is BS and why BS6 is needed, who will regulate this. We'll discuss all things today. First thing, we need to understand what is BS6. Since from the beginning I was speaking about BS6, then you might be thinking that what is BS6? That is nothing but Bharat Standard 6, and the full name is Bharat State Emission Standard. What it will do, it is just calculate the rate of emission. Here emission in the sense of releasing the burnt gases to the environment by our vehicles. So how emission rate will be calculated? This will calculate on how much a vehicle can produce the burnt gases to the environment when it's on certain kilometers. Next, we will look into who will decide this all. This is decided by the committee called Central Pollution Control Board. It is monitored by Central Government of India. This committee will regulate all these rules and regulations. Then you might be thinking on what basis this committee decide and take the decisions. Yes, here is the answer. A group of European countries have discussed and decide the standards. Based on that, India will also adapt this. This system started in 2000, and since 2000 there is many update had in history. From Euro 1 to Euro 6. In India, we call Euro as BS, that is Bharat Standard, from 1 to 6. In India, first time it is announced that in 2001, that is BS1, which is based on Euro 1 standard. Like that we have reached now BS4 in 2014, and now the government of India had announced to upgrade directly from BS4 to BS6. It is based on the Euro standard 6 that has been taken in the discussion in the meeting which is held at in 2017. And important thing we need to notice here, it will be different for petrol as well as diesel engines. For example, a car that is running with a diesel, so per kilometer how much it can produce the emission, like that they will calculate. In BS6, what are all the limitations they have fixed? So we'll have a look here. In emission, the major contribution they look into always carbon and nitrogen gases, because these are very harmful to the environment. Then in BS6, how much the rate of this content they have fixed. For a example I am telling here, for a according to BS6 standard, for a diesel car it cannot exceed the amount of carbon 0.50 grams, and also the nitrogen oxide per amount is 0.080. So it should not exceed these limits. These are the conditions they have made. So what I said now, it is only applicable for diesel cars. It is different for petrol cars, bikes, buses and also trucks. So what happened here is, while announcing the BS6 by Indian government not at all mentioned that how we need to change and how we need to upgrade the engines. It's all depend on the companies. So they need to do R&D, that is research and development, by changing the engine designs, vehicle designs, etc. parameters. But government has announced that we need to upgrade it. That's it. So you might be thinking that how much cost it will take to change the overall upgradation. It takes a lot of money to shift from BS4 to BS6, because they need to do R&D, and also they need to do tests, and they need to train the workers, engineers, and they should change the procedure and also technology. So it takes around 28,000 crores. Yes, it's look like a big amount, but in order to control our pollution and our future, it is very important to follow this. So, but now already companies have done research and also came with a very good technology with the BS6 engine, and also they release it to the market. So I will explain you guys what they have did in BS6 technology in upcoming videos. Then at the end, you might be thinking that what about our present vehicles? So no need to worry about the present vehicles. So these rules will be applicable only for the vehicles that is coming to the market in 2020. So it is applicable for only new cars and bikes. So no need to worry about the present bikes. So this is the information shared by the Tata course. I think I have shared all the important information. If you have any doubt, please do comment. I will answer you guys. So I hope you guys liked my video. Please subscribe, like and share with your friends. And also you can watch my other videos also. Here is the link, and in the description I am going to share my Telegram and WhatsApp links, so you can join and you will get the latest videos. So thank you guys for watching.